In today's video, I'd like to introduce you to 5 subscribers of mine, some with really small channels, just barely beginning, and others a bit further along the track. These guys have been subscribers of mine for varying amounts of time too. Some have only been here a few weeks, others have been here for much longer. But they all deserve a shout out, and so I'd like to introduce you to the first one, called A Kiwi in Switzerland. Obviously he's talking about being a New Zealander who's emigrated over there to the cold country. This is his channel, and I hope you enjoy a couple of snippets from one of his latest videos. Please give him some support and go over and give him a subscribe if you would. The second shout out I'd like to give is to Sam Hayden. Sam's only been with me a relatively short period of time, and I'd like you to help him by giving him some support. He's from Arizona in the US, and this is his channel. And I hope you like a couple of snippets I chose from one of his drone videos. He does a variety of different things as well as just drone videos. Please give him some support. Number 3 is Mark Goodison. He's again a relative newcomer to my channel as a subscriber, but he's a drone flyer in the UK, and he's just done a little adventurous flying as well. This is his channel, and he just flew inside a cave. Would you believe it? Here's a couple of snippets from one of his videos. Go and check it out, please. Number 4 on my list of shoutouts for today is Aeon38. Again, a relative newcomer to my channel and a droner, and he's from the UK as well. Here's his channel, and he just posted a video from Brown Hill in Glossop. So, strange name, isn't it? Let's go have a look at a couple of snippets from his video. Enjoy. Last but by no means least is Dutch Drone Adventures. He's been with me for quite some time, and he loves his drone very, very much. Flies a great deal, and I particularly like some of his recent videos that he flew during the winter period. So lots of snow and lots of beautiful scenery. This is his channel, and I hope you enjoy the snippets I chose from one of his more recent videos. So I hope you'll give all of those 5 people your support. At least go over and visit their channel if you'd be so kind. And if you like what you see, by all means subscribe to them to help lift their support. Perhaps I'll add you as a shout out on one of my next shout out videos. I hope you have a great day today, and I hope you get to fly your drone very, very soon. Thanks for watching. I'm Aussie Mark, and I'll see you on the next one. Bye.